Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about rebalancing your partitions. You need rebalancing because the query throughput increases and you need to add more CPUs, or your data set is growing, so you have to add more disks and RAM, and the nodes can fail so that others can take over the work of the failed node. And rebalancing means that it's you're redistributing the data and load across your nodes in the cluster. And the primary goal is to share the load fairly across nodes and keep the database online during rebalancing so that the reads and writes still work, and also minimize the network and disk IO, because during the time of rebalancing you want to move as little data as possible. And one common uh, approach that comes to our mind is just use the hash of that key and do a modulus with n, where n is the number of nodes. And by using this mod n, and you go ahead and assign the keys to the nodes. But the problem is, whenever the number of nodes changes, when n changes, almost every key moves. And because of this huge data move, it is very expensive and also slow. A better approach is to go with fixed number of partitions, and many systems use many more partitions than nodes. For example, let's say there are 1000 partitions for 10 nodes, and each node owns multiple partitions. Like you see in the diagram, whenever a new node joins, it steals some of the partitions from existing nodes and starts operating. And same situation, when a node fails, the partitions are redistributed. So this reduces the data movement. And whenever data moves from one node to the other, it's the entire partition that moves. It's not just few keys, but the entire partition. And this fixed number of partitions approach is used by RAG, Elasticsearch,